In a quiet land called Uz lived a man named Job, a man known not for wealth first, but for character. He was upright, honest, compassionate, the kind of man who prayed not only for himself, but even for his children's mistakes. People said if righteousness had a face, it would look like Job. But far beyond the earth, a different conversation was happening. One day, when the heavenly beings gathered before God, the adversary also came. And God asked him, "Have you considered my servant Job? There is no one like him." The adversary smirked. "Of course he worships you. You've protected him. You've blessed him. Take everything away, and he will curse you to your face." Permission was granted, but Job's life was about to change forever. In a single day, messengers came running one after another, his livestock stolen, his servants killed, his home destroyed, and worst of all, his children gone. Job fell to the ground, not in anger, but in surrender. He whispered, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." But the test wasn't over. The adversary came again. "Take his health, and he will curse you." And Job was struck with painful sores from head to toe. People avoided him. His friends accused him, saying, "You must have sinned." Even his wife said, "Curse God and die." But Job, broken yet steady, replied, "Shall we accept good from God and not trouble?" Days turned into nights, nights into weeks. Job sat in ash, scraping his wounds, wrestling with questions no one could answer. Then God spoke, not in anger, but in overwhelming majesty. "Where were you when I laid the foundations of the earth? Tell me if you understand." God didn't explain suffering, he revealed his greatness. And suddenly, Job realized faith is not built by answers. Faith is built by trust. Job bowed low and said, "My ears had heard of you, but now my eyes have seen you." And God restored everything Job had lost, twice as much as before. His joy returned, his family grew, his name became a testimony for generations. Job's story is not a story of suffering, it is a story of unshakable faith, a reminder that even in silence, God is still working, and whatever you lose, God can restore.